Great dog. What's her name?
Lucy.
You're a sweetheart, Lucy.
Where are you going?
Going to Alaska.
Woohoo! King salmon. You going to work? Can't sleep here, ma'am. You can't sleep out here. It's not allowed.
Okay.
$50. You can pay your fine now, or you can come back for a trial with a judge.
I don't live here. I'm just passing through.
If you get stopped in another state, you're just going to end up right back here.
$100. Be 50 for labor. Tow it over, I guess. That adds another 50.
Who's that?
It's your sister. She broke down in Oregon.
What does she want us to do about it?
No address? No phone either? No, not right now.
You can't get an address without an address. You can't get a job without a job.
I can smell the weakness on you.
Well, I hope it all works out.